Okay, some more work on the truck. I think I figured out the fuel gauge. Remember it ran out of gas on the way home? Well, turned out it had a full tank. So I pulled the whole fuel sender with the fuel pickup, that assembly, and it had been rotated like 90 degrees. So the fuel pickup was sitting like an inch from the top of the tank. So it ran out of fuel while it had a full tank. And if I play with the sender, the gauge works. So I don't think it's quite right, but I'm thinking the gauge is probably going to be working. But we just got to figure that one out. That one's definitely not, but it's down there. The temperature gauge seems to be working. Maybe, hard to say. Anyway, so you can't tell because the lever keeps falling off, but it's in 4-low. First gear. Look at the gearing on this thing. There's my foot not on the gas. Off the clutch. And we're going. Let's rev up to 2,000 RPM. We're not only going that fast. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Ruben! Woo! Wee! Okay, bye.